Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to free up Gmail storage. So get started. At first, open your document. Now going to the Chrome browser. Now going to the Gmail option. Now click for Gmail. Now you can see there show the new interface from Gmail. Now search from unsubscribe. Now you can see then you show the unread the mail. Now select from unread mail. Now click from delete and every unsubscribe mail from delete. Then again another option. Now select from unread mail, unsubscribe for mail. Now select. Now you can see then click from delete option. Now click that it's now we show the free up from storage in the mail. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.